Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing with me. And today I actually bought something for the first time. Well, I actually purchased something for MCM online. The first time I ordered on their site. And this is a sandals slides. So let's see. Sure, how do I open it? Okay, so I guess you open it from here. I actually bought it to match my purse. Hopefully match my purse. Guess I'll bring my purse. I'll get my purse too. Okay, so you open it from here. Okay, and one thing too, they actually tell you who actually packed your package. So there you go. Ooh, okay. So could you see? Could you guys see? It have an MCM thing right here. I'm open. Okay, so you guys can see. It says MCM. Okay, let's go back down. Okay, so this should be good. All right, there we go. There's a thank you envelope. It says MCM. You have your receipt, you know, my info in there, and if you need to return, you have to return. So that's that. I have a pretty sticker. Come down with my sticker. A little pretty MCM sticker, and look, it's nice, a nice pretty job. Ooh. Let's hope it fits. Let's hope it fits. This is the box. This is the shoes. I got 38. I don't know if I should have gotten enough 38 or 37. And this better be in women. Okay, say women. At the size 8. Oh my gosh, I'm usually 7.5. So it fits. Let me see what's in the bottom. Let's see what's in the bottom if anybody cares. Oh yeah, they gave me a perfume. Okay, I don't know if it... I think it smells good. I can smell it. Yeah, it smells good. They gave me this perfume. What's the name of the perfume? Natural Spray Vaporizer. Is that the name? I do not see the name of the perfume. Is this it right here? Okay, I'll be asking for the perfume. So, let's open this. Okay, it has a dust bag. And their dust bag is really nice. I'm starting to think the only people with bad dust bags might be Louis Vuitton. Like, their dust bag is terrible. But anyway, back to this. This is pretty nice. Wide dust bag. Okay. A warranty. All right. Just the warranty and this card up there. Back. All right, let's go back. Oh! Man, I hope it fits. Okay, I keep shaking. Okay. This is like a gold. This one look like it's probably 14K coated gold. Okay, the bottom. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the coated canvas. So this is canvas. Cause I didn't want the pool slide, I think, is plastic, and this one is actually like canvas. All right, comes with this thing, and the bottom is plastic. Ooh, okay, I have this in the back. This little, whatever this is supposed to be, like a star. MCM. The bottom, it says made in Korea. The bottom of this is pretty soft. I'm not sure if it's leather or not. Okay. Really nice. Really nice. So I'm going to try it on right now. Oh, it fit perfect. It fit me perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I got the size they said. It fit me. Well, let me see. Should I show my toes? Should I show my toes? Oh, oh, let's move this. Okay, I'll show y'all on feet. It fit perfect. Oh, I'm glad I didn't get the size 7. Yes, it's nice. You guys can see everything. It's extremely nice. So let me see if it matched my purse. That's what I really got it for. Yes, perfect, perfect. I don't know why I thought it was like a different color. Of course it's gonna match my purse. Yeah, even this is like a chill type of shoes, but you know, when I want to wear it, you know, to chill, to run errands, you could wear it. I'm not sure how comfortable it will be, but it's not something I'm trying to wear every day. You know, this is just like a fashion statement. You know, so this is I love it. Let me see how it smells. Yeah, the bottom, it smells, yeah, it smells plasticky. The bottom really smell like plastic and like some type of candy. Plastic stuff. Oh gosh, like a rubbery candy. Like it's like plastic and something sweet. Yes, it matched perfectly. Oh wow, I love it. I know the gold is different. I don't even want to peel it yet. This is more like gold plated 24K, and this is, it looks like more of like a 14K plated, gold plated. Oh, so I love it. You know, when I'm styling out, when I'm in town, you know, styling. So as of right now, I'm not sure the comfortability, but I would definitely recommend it. Oh, and it was, I'm pretty sure it was like $275. Yeah, it was $275. This is $275. All right. So yes. So thank you guys for stopping by to see me unboxing these sandals, these slides, and enjoy the rest of your day. And peace out. Make sure to come back. You comment, subscribe, click on that like button. Sorry I haven't been showing my face, but I'm so excited for me to like get ready, fix my face. It's gonna take forever, so I'm like, let me just hurry up. I want to open it. So but for sure, hopefully my next video I'll be able to glam up and show you guys, you know, the actual stuff I'm trying to show you guys, show my face, because I have some videos planning, some comparisons. So hope you guys come back if you love luxury. It's not even if you love, like if you're considering luxury and want to see if something's worth it, you could definitely come back to this channel, because before I bought all these things I couldn't find no video on this, no video on it. So I'm just hoping I can help somebody out to see if it's worth your while. So come back and stay tuned. Bye.